What's goody grind family, Reggie P here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online watching videos. Now, if that sounds interesting to you, stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money online watching videos. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And very soon, I'm going to give away some free money. So do me a favor, smash that like button and drop a comment down below if you like what I talked about today. And please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now please check down in the description below. Go to the section where it says free giveaways. Now you have to be subscribed to this channel to get these free giveaways. So if you're new, subscribe to the channel, scroll down to the description below, click on the link where it says free giveaways, and it's going to take you to a website where you can download 3 free gifts. And that's from me to you. So go ahead and do that right now. Also, I have some other cool stuff in the description below. If you're having problems getting views and subscribers to your YouTube channel, I have a link for that. And also, if you want some money right now, there's a link for that, and that's all in the description below. So just go ahead and check that out right now. Please watch this video to the very end, because I don't want you to miss none of the steps you need to take to learn how to make money online watching videos. So please watch this video all the way to the very end. All right, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. The internet, and I'm at this website called Iresa. And as you can see here, get paid for watching videos online. It says watch entertaining videos and earn easy points. Iresa TV allows you to earn Iresa points for each video that you watch. Our video inventory refreshes daily. Start earning now. So let's just scroll down here and see what else they says about this website here. It says we love videos at Iresa, and we know you do too. So why not get paid to watch them? We offer several channels to watch and earn Iresa points. Share your opinion on the newest ads or movie trailers and help shape the future of entertainment. Earn your points quickly and redeem the gift cards and cash. So you'll watch videos. So watch short films, new advertisements, app trailers, cooking tutorials, movie reviews, and much more. Anything you watch earns Iresa points. So when you earn the points, they said here, you select the video from our partners, start watching, earn Iresa points instantly. Our inventory refreshes daily with over 50 channels of content. And lastly, it says here, choose your rewards, get paid how you want, when you want, select from brands like MCA Theaters or Regal Entertainment, or turn those points into cash from PayPal. So I know I've talked about these sites in the past, but this is a good site where you can look at videos and make some money from just watching different type of videos. And if you just don't want to just watch videos, you also got the option of downloading the apps and make some money, paid surveys, complete offers, play games. So you have all those options. You can use to make money on this site. But I just was talking about the making money watching videos, because this is what this video is about today. So let me go ahead and go to the next site that you can watch videos and make more money. Hey Grind family, sorry for the interruption, but I just want to inform you that I am almost close to 1,000 subscribers. So if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button right now. Because when I get 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to reward 3 people with some free money. And all you have to do is make sure you subscribe to this channel and drop a comment down below. Now, back to the video. All right, I'm at the next website. It's called GrabPoints. So just like the other website, they have options for you. So right here you can watch TV, answer surveys, complete offers, and download apps. So let's scroll down here and see how it works. So it says brands, advertisers pay, GrabPoints for engagements. We recruit members like you. You do online activities, watching videos, taking surveys, completing offers, downloading apps, and more. Earn gift cards or PayPal cash. And here are the gift cards you can earn. So you know, when you watch that video, you can go ahead and cash that money you make from that through PayPal. And you can also get a Fortnite card or reward, Google Play, PlayStation, Minecraft, Xbox gift card. So you have a lot to choose from if you just don't want the cash. Most of you guys I know want the cash, so I'm sure you're going to probably pick PayPal. All right. Let me scroll down here and see some testimonies so we can get an idea of what their experiences is using this website. All right. Precious right here gives it 5 stars, and she says GrabPoints is great and I have had a very awesome experience with them. They are one of the best. 5 stars all the way. Male, he gives this website 5 stars also. GrabPoints is truly legit earning site. They pay fast, highly recommended. Thanks, GrabPoints. And lastly, Dennis, he gives it 5 stars, and he said honest, reliable payouts as promised, friendly to deal with, can recommend. So that's some good testimonials for this site. So if you're interested in this site, go to GrabPoints.com. All right, now you know the websites you can go to and sign up and start making money online just by watching videos. So go ahead and go to those websites, sign up, start watching videos, and start making this money. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please do me a favor before you click off this video, hit that like button for me. And let's get to 20 likes, guys, because the more likes I get, the more this video will be seen on YouTube by more potential subscribers, because I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm currently over 900, so I don't have that far to go to get to 1,000. Because once I get to 1,000, I'm going to reward some people with some free money just for helping me get to 1,000 subscribers. It's going to be a party. It's going to be a party, guys, once we get to 1,000 subscribers. We're going to party hard. Also, please leave a comment down below, because what I'm going to do is randomly pick that comment and reward 3 people with some free money. So make sure you leave a comment down below. And please share this on the internet everywhere, because I want to help everybody I can make money online and become their own boss and become financially free. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this almost every day. All right, that's it. I'm out of here. Thank you guys for your support. Keep supporting the brother. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers, guys. So if you're new, hit that subscribe button and share this with all your friends and everybody on the internet. All right, before I leave, I just want to say, get your grind on, because the grind is real. All right, deuces, deuces.
This is App Grind TV.